Hello, this is Juan Armstrong. I'm here to present my week 14 assignment. All right, so this is my VMs. I've created my VM using the create instances found in the uh, computer engine. Then instances, you create your VM here. You choose everything standard, and then click the create button. All right, let us confirm if I've met the standard of what has been wanted. All right, so it's 2 GB RAM. It is here. Let's see if this is the latest image. All right, so this is my latest image here. My latest image is here. All right, so the benefit of using data, it is easier scaling. Docker simplifies the process of deploying multiple containers to handle increased traffic. So orchestras like Kubernetes can manage the scaling and load balancing of containers automatically. As you can see that we are using our Docker here, which helps us mostly to reduce the scalability of this time. So now let us show the connection method. All right, so the connection method that I've used, I've uploaded my backup. So firstly I connected to my local machine, then I backed up my database that I'm going to use. Then after backing it up, I uploaded to my Docker, to my SSH browser. I uploaded it here. Then it appears in my then it appears in my yes, then it appears here. Then, as you can see it here, after uploading it, it was here. Then I used this command to copy it to my. I use this command to copy it to my home directory of my cloud uh, server. To my cloud server. All right, so after copying it, then I connected to my server, to my SQL, to my management studio. Then I went to task. Right, so task, then restore database. Then I selected my home directory. So this is very slow. So I selected my home directory. Then that is where I managed to come up with my. All right, so today we are showing our. Short three, we are showing our job. So I've created this job here. That's what automatically makes the pick up the database. Success, everything is successful. It is two schemas. So I've created my schemas using this command. So I've created two schemas, the sales schema and the marketing schema. Set schema and the marketing schema. Then this is how I pushed my tables to so the first test is the final login. I've already logged in with this final test user. Login, let's see, let's see if we only see. See if only we are going to see this. So you see the sales and the sales orders and the sales books only, nothing else. Seems okay. Create joins. So this is how I've created my views. So nice. This is how I've created my views. Command test successfully logged in as file test. Yes, I'm logged in as the file test. So now creating the database rows. So creating the command statement. These are the commands that I used to create the rows, created rows, then granting the permissions, granting the, so let's just run the test. This one take like 20 minutes. Okay, let's see. Test user, the first two should succeed, and this one should fail. So which means this one is correctly configured. All right, let me quickly go this one. Why it is the schema specific person? Separation of concern. Schemas allows you to logically separate data into database object. This helps in organizing database when the business functionality. Easier management. It implies database maintenance and security management as you can handle the control more effectively. So explain also security benefit of using views. As I've showed my views that site maintain data integrity. Easy of your user can perform queries on views that may present aggregated or filtered data which can use the without revealing any. Why is using a role is a critical simplified permission management. This is very important. Roles allows you to manage permission instead of individuality. Easier user management when you need to grant permission to each and every user in the department. All right, so now let's see if you want to set a if you want to set if you want to encrypt a column, so you have to go to right click right click on top of the table that you want to encrypt, then you go to encrypt column. So you choose what you want to encrypt. For me, I've chosen to encrypt the dates. So let us see now if the dates are encrypted. So the date should show that it is encrypted. So as you can see here, the date is encrypted. All right. So now let us demonstrate how we are going to back up our data. We are going to task, then back up. We'll back up. We successfully backed up. So a full backup is created. Let's see if we let's see if we can restore it. It's taking long. So let's go and show. So this is my post. So this is my post. This is my post. This is my IP address. So Americo have connected to my database. Americo have connected to my database here. So you say everything is connected correctly. So I've also connected to to John Michael's database. I've also connected to John Michael's database. So I've also provided feedback to John Michael's. Let's see. So this is John Michael's bike database. Let's see. Yes, let's see if I can see the encrypted data. Yes, the encrypted data is there. Encrypted data is here. Okay, let's provided it. Encrypted data is here. Yes, I can see all the only the table with one schema. Yes, let me test if I can open it with one schema. Do you have access to the view? Let's see if I have access to the view. Let's see if I have access to the view. Yes, I have access to the view. All right, so I have access to the view. All right, now let us go to the oh, let's go to the last part. Let's go to the last part says that strategies. What are strategies could you explore in the company? All right, strategies for creating my database copies. Utilize containers like Docker to create isolated environment with the database copies, because Docker allows you to spin up new database instances rapidly and deploy them for testing. Secondly, I'll urge you to create virtual machines with replicated database setups. Tools such as VMware or Hyper-V can make it easier to replicate the entire environment quickly. What are some factors or options to consider regarding cloud hosting strategies? So look for the efficient and automated backup solutions within the cloud provider. Ensure that there are robust disaster recovery option to protect data integrity. Secondly, I would like you to monitor the cost implication associated with hosting multiple database in the cloud. So that because understanding pricing model for storage and computer power and data transfer to avoid unexpected expenses. So you can provide unexpected expenses. All right, so I'll just like to take my last part. I guess I've missed because of time. I've missed a lot, but everything looks fine. Everything is working. Uh, let me. Okay, I've connected as a final test user. All right, I didn't connect my final body. All right, final body. My final body has to be connected also. Final body, yes. Final body, yes, it's connected. Where I has to show the grant permissions, the roles. Uh, this I was creating the list. Okay. So now just one from the just one with the final body. Let's see if this one will succeed. Okay, let's take this one. Here, this one should succeed, and the last two, and this one should fail. Yeah, so this one should fail when I'm logged in as the my final body. Logged in as final body. So this shows the roles. Yes. Okay, because of time, I'll just end here. Thank you so much.